How to find a serial number on Canon camera. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find a serial number on Canon camera. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, I'm going to open my browser and search on the search bar how to find a serial number on Canon camera. And it shows 3 results on how to find the serial number on Canon camera. So first, we can find the serial number on the bottom of the camera printed in black, gray, or white. Well, the second one, it says here that we can find the serial number of the Canon camera behind the LCD screen. And if you don't know LCD means liquid crystal display, in which it is a display technology used to create the screen embedded in the back of nearly all digital cameras, and you can find the serial number behind it. And the last method is by looking on the white sticker on the box of your camera came in. So I suggest to not lose the box that you get with your camera, as you still can use it to find the serial number of your Canon camera. So in here you can see the photos or the images in which part of the camera you can see the serial number. And as you see, the serial number is located or can be found at the bottom of your Canon camera. While the other picture also reveals that you can find the serial number of Canon camera printed in white color. You can see that you can find the serial number printed in black, gray, or white. And it is important to know the serial number of your Canon camera to register the serial number for the warranty. And also, the police insurance company also need a serial number if the gear is ever stolen. So that is how to find a serial number on Canon camera. Thank you.